Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Ambassador of Faith vlog. So today I have a verse from the Bible from Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. It says, "Train up a child the way that he should go. Even when he is old, he will not depart from it." Amen. Very important to train a child, to discipline a child, and to love the child and to nurture the child. Of course, um, very wonderful, guys, to have a guardian. Okay, I grew up no father, no mother. How I wish I have a father and mother, but in behalf of that, God God is present in my life and He always direct me. So God, thank you so much for this wonderful moment. Thank you also, Lord, for all the fathers around the world, and thank you for my husband. Bless him in